kids, and welcome back to KidBits. Today we're going to take a look at how a graphics card calculates the color of a pixel. But what is a pixel? Let's check it out. I prepared for you an image here. It's a boy in front of a computer, and observe what happens when I zoom in. All of a sudden, we have all these little squares. Now, one of these little squares, that's called a pixel. So this little thing here, that's a pixel. So we have thousands of them, and the image is made out of them. And each image, as you can see, has a slightly different color. And the graphics card is responsible for that. Let's check out how the graphics card actually does that. So here I have three letters, RGB. I'm going to show you what this has to do with the graphics card. So I'm going to put down three different colors, and you probably guessed it. The R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. The amazing thing about these three colors is, out of these three colors, you can create any other color. So the graphics card takes these colors, checks, okay, how can I make the black of the eye of the boy here? And then it says, okay, I need that much red, that much green, that much blue, and boom, you have black. And that's how the graphics card generates or calculates these colors. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at KidBits. If you like this video, then find in the caption below our YouTube link and like and subscribe.